This conference will now be recorded.
All right, guys. Okay. So let's start, guys. Today we are going to discuss about about Python. Okay. So we are you guys are joined. Okay, for a training, Python training. Okay. So before going to start everything, so I will just let you know. Like I just introduce myself. So my name is Preeti. So I'm having 6 years of experience, guys. Okay. So let's start. So we will start from basic, guys. Okay. So if you have a zero code knowledge, that is also okay. We will start from scratch. Okay. So already you will get the already we have sent you, right, the a link. Okay. So our Isha trainings. Okay. So what is this chapter and how many topics we guys are going to cover. Okay. The duration of this course is 45 days only. Okay, so within a 45 days we are going to start. Okay, I hope my voice is clear to everyone. Yes, guys, my voice is clear. Yes, can I get confirmation from anyone? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, that's thank you for confirmation, guys. So let's start. Okay. So today just we will see like what are the topics we are going to cover and what is a Python and all those things. Okay, basics to advanced. So this is a course regarding mastery. Okay, so basic to advanced. Okay, Python. So give me 1 minute, guys. I am going to share my screen. Confirm you guys are able to see my screen or not. Are you guys are able to see my screen successfully? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So this is a overall syllabus we are going to cover here. So we will go with the from basic, guys. Okay. So what is mean by Python and what is the history of Python? So basically why we need to learn this Python? Okay. So the big question is why we need to learn this Python? Okay. Because it is a very simple language, guys. It's a very simple language. Okay. And it's a secure and it is a object oriented language. Okay. So once you have learned this Python means we can develop and we can test the application, also we can develop the application. Okay. So Python is a one of the language. Okay. So there are different other languages are also there, like Java, Ruby, okay, C sharp, C++. Okay. So Python is a very simple, guys. So within a one line we will get output. Okay. So within a one line. Okay. So I will start you from scratch, guys. So for basic points from like how what is the syntax of Python, what is the Python, and what is the history of Python, what are the features of Python. Okay, so what is the difference between Python 2 and Python 3? Okay, how to install Python. Okay, I will tell you guys how to install and environmental setup how we can do. So Python code we can run 100 ways. Okay, so also you can say how 100 methods with the help of sorry 10 methods we can log in and we can enroll. For example, you can take, guys, we can achieve this Python with Android Studio, okay, Visual Studio, and also we can run with a command prompt, and also we can run with Eclipse, also we can run with Eclipse IDE. Okay, there are so many platforms are available to run this Python code. Okay, once you have run, so it support multiple browsers and you can run with any platform. Okay, so this is how we have a Python here. Okay, so we will start with a basic, guide. What is the command line arguments, comments, how to do comments in a Python and document. Okay, so included in a Python, commands line arguments, getting user inputs. Okay, so data types. So these basic points we are going to cover in a chapter 1. Okay, so chapter 1 it will gonna very easy and it's very simple, guys. How? Because we have only basic points over here. Okay, I hope it is clear, guys. What is mean by Python? Yes, I hope I'm audible to all, guys. Yes,
Yes, yes.
yeah. Thank you for confirmation. So from basic only, basic parts we are going to start over here. Python data type. Okay, what are the variables? Python core objective and functions, numbers and maths. Okay, and also assignments. It's a very important, and it's a very you can say, guys, if you have done assignments means you will be get more clarity. Okay, because in session it will not going to cover all things, means it is not for you. Okay, it's for just for the explanation, just I'm just explaining you, like taking one example. But in assignment, if you have done more practice, then you will get things more clearly. Okay, so within a one class it will not be clear, right? So you have to see the recording sessions and you need to practice day to day, okay, day to day, then only you will be get this Python. Okay, I know some non-technical peoples also there. Okay, some technical peoples also there. Okay, in this meeting. So it's don't you worry about this, guys. So we are going to start from scratch over here. Okay, so assignment is very important, guys. Okay, so I will give you day to day day what we have done in a session. I will give assignment also. Okay, so recording also provided to you guys. Okay, so after this session, after completion of this session, so recording will be updated okay, I hope it is clear, guys. Yes. Mm-hmm. This is your chapter one. Okay. So chapter two, we are going to see like a list, range, triples, and in a Python. So introduction, like a list in a Python. Okay. What is a list? Basically, list is nothing but it is a collection part, guys. Okay. So I know you now you don't know what is a list and what is a collection and all those things because by why? Because you are new into this, right? So basically, this is a list in a Python. More about list, understanding iterable generator, okay, comparisons, and lambda expressions. Okay, these we are going to cover in a second part. Okay, chapter two. So understanding and using range, more about range, order, sets in a triple. Okay, so these we are going to set over here. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone, guys. Yes. I hope I'm audible. Yeah.
Yes.
So it is a build function, like functions. What are the functions available? So these are very important, like how to package functions and calling functions, enemies functions, loop and statement in a Python. Okay. So these are the syllabus. Okay. Okay, all right. So basically, next we have a Python object oriented. So I will take, guys, real world examples. Okay, so not even I'm telling like this, I'm reading in front of everyone. Okay, so I will take some real world examples. Okay, Python object oriented. So what is mean by object oriented? So basically, oops is nothing but, guys, it's a very important part in a Python, that is oops concept. So oops is nothing but it is a object oriented programming. Okay, so basically object oriented is nothing but we have in a like in a real also. Okay, in a real world also, so it has some states and behaviors, means state also and behavior also, then that is called object oriented. Object, why Python is object oriented? Because object we have to create. So in every object we have some class and object, guys. Classes and object is necessary to create. Okay, so if you want to achieve or you want to run more data, okay, so then with the help of object creation we can get more values. Okay, so accessing attributes, build class, right? Then we have destroying objects. Okay, this is how we are going to cover this chapter 6. Okay, it's very simple, guys. Oops concept. Okay, so in that there are so many pillars are available as usual, like inheritance, okay, encapsulation, abstraction. Okay, so encapsulation, abstraction. okay, inheritance and polymorphism. So these are the basic OOPS concept, means these are the pillars of OOPS we are going to cover here. Okay, the next we have a exception handling. So coming to this exception handling, it's very important, guys. What is the exception? How we are going to handle this? So basically, exception means program normal flow. It will be disturbed. Okay, due to some programming error. Okay, it might be some network problem. Okay, so for that you need to handle that situation. Okay, so if you want to handle that situation, so there are some different ways to handle that situations. For example, in a real world also, guys, you can say, so what exception you are getting. So day to day life also, we will get lots of exception in our life. So for example, you can take what is your daily basis, means daily basis. For example, you want to reach means daily you are going office. Okay, so what is the office time? 10 a.m. Okay, this is your daily process. Okay, so you will wake up at morning, and you will start, means you are ready for a office. Okay, so you have to reach at 10 a.m. So this is your exact, means you need to log in into your company, right? So some biometric will be there, right? It is necessary, right? So that the flow is every day. So you are guys are following every day, you guys are following, all right? So in a day to day life. Okay, so sometimes in some days, okay, so you are unable to reach at 10 a.m, means due to some like bus, by due to bus, or some due to some your bike issue. Okay, so if you are going with a bike, or you are going with bus, okay, to office to reach 10 a.m, but it is not going to happen at one day. So at that time, what you will do, you will think like you will be handle that situation. So how you are handling that situation? So in except, means in a Python, there is a keywords or blocks also there, that is handling an exception, like a try, except, else. Okay, and try, finally clause will be there. Okay, arguments of exception, Python standard exception. Okay, so any exception means any error happened due to some situation, or there any error if you found. So how to handle means with the help of exception handling, like try, except, else, and try, finally class. So these are the blocks are available in Python to handle the Python handling exception. Okay, some regular exception also there, that is chapter 8. Okay, we are going to complete over here, guys. Okay, so basically, like regular means it is matches function, search function, matching versus searching, search and replace. Okay, so extended, regular exception, and wildcard. So these are we are going to complete over here. Okay, and threading also here, multi-threaded programming, new thread, trading modules. Okay, so these we are going to cover here. I hope I am audible, guys. Yes, I hope I'm audible. Yes. So this is all a syllabus, guys, of our Pythons. Okay. So anyone have doubts in this, guys? Yes. It's a very basic points we are going to cover. Yes. I hope I'm audible, guys. Yes, it's very simple, guys. It is not that much of difficult. Okay, it's a very simple Python. Okay, first we need to understand what is a Python, why there is a need to learn this Python. Okay, so Python is a one of a language. It is a open source language also, you can say. Generally, it is a purpose like a dynamically high level and interrupted programming language. So it supports like object oriented programming approach. So as of now we have discussed, guys. Okay, it is object oriented programming approach. Okay, to develop any application. So if you want to develop any application, so must have to learn any language. Okay, so there are other languages also there, but more than that, Python is very simple and it's very easy, guys. Okay, I hope I'm audible. Yes, can you hear me, guys? My voice is clear to everyone.
Yes, yes.
Can I get reply from anyone? Anyone have doubts in a syllabus, guys? Topics as of now? Ria, Rakesh. Yes, guys. So if you
No, we don't
have
have
any
any.
doubts, please feel to ask, guys. Okay, there is no problem. If you have any questions or you have any doubts, so please feel to ask. So I'm here to explain you and I'm here to help you guys. Okay, so Python is a very basic language. So we are going to cover. So day to day, from tomorrow onwards, when we will start our regular session, so I will start you like, so what is the syntax, how to write, and how to install in your machine. Okay, so laptop is necessary to have guys for a practice. Okay, and also I will give you daily basis recordings and also assignment to you guys. Okay, so you have to complete that assignment and send it in our group. Okay, I hope this clear to everyone. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, any questions, Rakesh,
But
Jayanta?
yeah, I joined just now. So this is
Huh.
basic Python session or advanced Python session.
Yes, it is a basic and advanced.
Okay, because you are telling about all syntax everything, but I already learned Python and I'm looking for advanced session actually. That's why I requested
It is
the
advanced
topic.
only because see why I have shown you right already. I
Yeah.
hope these things you will be get right.
Okay.
Object oriented, exception handling. Okay, so some regular expressions, right? This is the
Mm-hmm.
advanced only. See Excel, right? It is
Okay.
a database. Okay,
Okay.
so using database in Python, how we are going to do, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is advanced only, right?
I'm not sure about it actually.
Yeah, it is
Because see
advanced only.
advanced like the things are coming like Django
Hmm.
programming and website development, all those things are coming in
Dango.
advance, right?
Yes, yes. So that also we will cover here. Okay.
Okay.
So right now I haven't mentioned in this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Already see we have done right here Dango web framework in Python. Can you see here? Are
It's
you
very
able to
small.
see here?
Yes, 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 yes.
It's very small.
But you are mentioning about only the introduction, right? But we are thinking like I mean at least some sessions to develop web application that will be useful for us, right?
Sure, sure, I will do because I am going to after completion of basic ones, then we will
Mm-hmm.
cover with the help of we'll take one live okay projects and I will explain you regarding that.
Okay.
Okay, any doubts? Any other doubts, guys? Yes, any one have doubts, guys? Advanced in the sense we
No,
have
no.
a all points. Yes, Rakesh.
We don't have
Yes.
any doubts.
Yes, any other doubts, guys, regarding syllabus? Already I have mentioned, right? In that link, I think you have found that link, right? Which is already created by Isha Training Centers. Yes, yes, yes. I hope I'm audible, guys. Anyone have doubts, guys? Mm-hmm. Yes, it's a very basic to advanced. We are going to start here. Okay. For example, here I have already mentioned in our Python syllabus, right? So this is your Python syllabus. Don't get confused, guys. We are going to start from scratch only. Okay. First, we will know the what core Python is there. After core, then we will go with advanced over here. Yes, Rakesh. Rakesh. Any other guys? Jayanta, Ria. Yes, guys. You have any questions? If you have any questions, then go ahead, guys. Okay, this is all about demo sessions. If you have any doubts, then I will clear here, or else I will start. Okay, from basic Python. Mm-hmm. Free feel to ask, guys. There is no problem here. Okay, if you have any questions, so then go ahead. There is no problem. Okay, so basically, we all know what is a Python, right? So what is a Python, guys? Python is a language. Okay, so Python, we have one of language. So that is a high level and it is object oriented. Okay, so Python is easy to learn at a powerful and vertable script language. Okay, so which makes attractive for a application, guys. Application development, it's look like a attractive. Okay, so with its interrupted nature, like Python syntax and program typing make it an ideal language for scripting, guys. Okay, and also rapid application development also. Okay, so this is how we are going to use this Python. So Python is support multiple programming platforms that we have already patterns. So we have already discussed, like including object oriented, um, interpretive and functional or protectual programming styles. Okay, so Python is very simple and it's very easy. Okay, so Python makes development and debugging fast because no compensation step included in this Python development. So Python is very what do you say, guys? It's make development and debugging. Okay, development also and debugging so fast because no compassion steps included in this Python development. Okay, so and it edit also and we can test also. Already we have seen, like edit also we can test, debugging cycle is very fast. Okay, so also we can test with Python also, guys. We can test any application with Python language. So yes, we have to use more tools and more technology, but yes, if you have a knowledge about Python, then yes, of course we can develop our application and also we can test the application also, guys. Yes, yeah. So Python is a open source. There is a cost-free programming, guys, language. So it is utilized in a several sector and discipline as a result. Okay. So as of now, we have discussed how many ways we can run this program, Python program. Okay. So there are too many platforms available, guys, like Eclipse also there. Okay, I will tell you how to install and how to set environment. Okay, so and also I will tell you in our system how to install and how to configure. Okay, and also how to run with the command prompt and also how to run with Eclipse. So Eclipse is a platform, guys. There we have to, like a daily basis, we have to write a code and we can execute easily. Okay, so it's a very simple if you are using Eclipse or any platform, guys. Why? Because with the help of command prompt it will take lots of time. Okay, so you have to create separate notepad code, and also I will tell you and I will explain you, guys. We will write Python code in our notepad and we will execute in a command prompt. Okay, so how many ways we are going to execute? Ways, the first one is command prompt. Okay, with the help of command prompt we will see how to execute, and also Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse, guys. Okay, so Eclipse IDE. Next we will see IntelliJ also. In IntelliJ also you can get this, guys. Okay, IntelliJ IDE. Okay, with the help of IntelliJ IDE also we can. So there are so many platforms or so many ways we can run our basic simple Python program. Okay, so this is very simple as compared to Java, guys. Okay, so Java there are so many syntax and so many commands are available, but here it's very simple. Okay, within a one line statement we will print our statement, guys. Within a one line, there is a no need to write more lines. Okay, so for this only, in our programming, guys, we have to reduce our number of codes. Okay, so that is a better programming. Okay, so if you have added more means, it will not include it or it will take lots of space also. Okay, so Python, it is also better way to use and we can run this statement. Okay, so basic syntax, there is a no use curly braces and we are not going to use any semicolon in Python. Okay, so why we are not, what things we are not going to use in a Python, guys? There is a no, yes, there is a no curly brace. Curly brace. So what is a curly brace? What it is? Curly brace means it is like this, guys. Okay, so these things we are not going to use over here. Okay, and also semicolon. Okay, so semicolon also we are not going to use. But beyond this, like in Java and in other language, we obviously we are using this curly braces and semicolon, so that was necessary. But in Python we are not going to use. Okay, so there is a difference between other language and Python, guys. It's very simple and within a one line, it's a within a one line we'll get our output. Okay, so yes, programming language, but Python use the intention, okay, of the definition, okay, as a block of code. Okay, so indentation, sorry. Okay, indentation means it is all about indentation. For example, indentation is nothing but it's a correct manner. So if you have written some code like this, okay, so this is your first line, okay, and this is your middle line, or if you have started another line from here, so it will not gonna happen and it will not accept in our Python, guys. Okay, so it should be in indentation. Indentation means all code should be in proper way. Okay, I will tell you how to do indentation in Python also. Okay, so to define a block of code, indentation is nothing but adding white space before the statements and when it is needed for this. Okay, so basic point. For example, if you are writing some Python basic command, okay, basic syntax. So if you are using fun over here, okay, so then you are using here some this comma. Okay, only this we are going to use. There is a no semicolon and there is a no command line, guys. Okay, so you can just start your statement over here directly. So you can print a statement 1, statement 2, statement up to nth time. Okay, so directly you can print without any curly braces and semicolons. Okay, I hope I'm audible, guys. Indentation should be matter, guys. Indentation means it is all about in a correct manner. So you have to write your code in a correct manner. Okay, if you have written one statement like this and second statement would be like this. Okay, if you have written second statement from here, so it will not gonna happen. Means it will not accept in our Python, guys. Okay, so we should write here correct manner. Okay, indentation, so you need to follow here indentation. So we can write multiple. So this is a basic syntax, right? So this is a basic syntax we are going to use, guys. I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes, I hope it is clear. Yes, this is your basic syntax. So I will make it here basic syntax. Okay, Python. Okay, Python basic syntax. I hope it is clear, everyone. It's very simple, guys. Yes, I hope I'm audible. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a very simple. So it's a one line of statement we are going to start. Okay. So I will tell you guys how to download Python and how to install, okay, and how to set up this environment. Okay. So some features of Python will be there. Okay, so features of Python, it's very important. So definitely in interview they will be asked questions, guys, okay, regarding these features of Python. Okay, so now Python features are like that: easy to learn and use. The first one is easy to learn. Okay, so easy to learn and use also. Okay, it's very easy and it's very simple. Okay, how it's simple means it's a very only within a one line. There is a no curly braces and there is a no semicolon we are going to use over here. Okay, also this is a expressive language. Second, there is a expressive, okay, expressive lang, just a minute. Okay, it's a very expressive language. So basically easy to learn and use. Python is very easy to learn, and compared to other programming language, there is a no use of semicolon or curly brackets. So indentation define the code of a block, so that is easy. And expressive language. So expressive means like it is all about, guys, Python can perform complex tasks using the few lines of code. Okay, so a simple expression, like example hello world programming, so you simply type only print like this. Okay, so you have to write simply like this. Okay, print bracket, and yes, if you are printing any string, so then you have to provide a double inverted comma. Okay, and then here you will just write hello world. So what you want to print, then the code will be get like this statement. Okay, so now I am providing hello world, then it print only string values, guys. Okay, so what the data you are providing inside a bracket, inside this parenthesis, what data you are providing, that it will be your output. Okay, so this is your program, and what is your output, guys? What is the output of this statement? Only this one. What is the output? Hmm? What is the output, guys?
Hello,
I
world.
hope I'm, yeah, what is the output? Hello word only. So we should get this hello word from this whole line. Okay, clear? And also third one we have, that is interrupted language. What it is? Interpreted language. So basically interpreted means Python is a interpreted language. It means the Python programming execute one line at a time. Okay, the advantage of being interrupted language means it make debugging and easy to portable. Okay, easy to portable. Basically interpreted is meaning is we just program execute, guys, one line at one time only, so that is interpreted. Okay, and also fourth one we have, that is a cross platform language. What it is? Cross platform language. Okay, so cross platform language, what is the meaning of cross platform? So basically Python can run and different platform, like such as Windows, Linux, unique, okay, cross platforms, that is called class, Linux, and some other, for example. So where should we need to run this Python? Window operating system. These are the operating systems, guys. Window. Yes, what is about next, guys? Linux,
Linux. Linux.
Unix also, right? Unix also. Next. Mm-hmm. Hmm? What about next? ISO? No.
iOS.
Yes, iOS. Sorry, control that. We can go with this also. Yes, yeah, etc. So we can say that Python is a portable language. So it enable programming to develop the software and several completing platform by writing a code only once. Means what cross platform means? Platform language means we can run Python code. Means Python this print, guys. Consider this print line. So you have written this code, so this is your statement, right? So once you have run this, means you have written this code, means we can go with different platforms. So right now we are using, I am using window only. Okay, the my system is, my operating system is window. So some other peoples are using Linux. Okay, same code you can also run in a different platform language, sorry, platform. Okay, so what are the platform like Linux, Unix, iOS? Okay, so in this platform also we can run this print hello world. Okay, the output will be remain same. So this statement we can also use different platform also. Yes, I hope it is clear, guys. Means once you have written a Python code, so you can run with any platform. Okay, so platforms like Windows, Unix, Linux, and iOS. Clear, everyone? Yes. Why it is cross-platform language? Mm-hmm. Yes. 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 I hope it is clear, guys. Yes. Next feature is it's free. Okay, Python is a free and open source, guys. Free and open source. Okay, so why it is free means basic, why? Because see, it's a very free of cost. We no need to pay for this Python, guys. Directly we can download from Chrome and we can easily use this. Okay, Python is freely available for anywhere, so there is a no need to pay for a downloading and install, guys, as well as source code for a Python. So it is available on internet download by seeing the version downloading. Okay, simply go on to the official website, that is www Python. Okay, so directly you can just go with a www dot python dot org or else okay, org.com. So once you have gone this original documents, it is a website and directly you can download, guys. Okay, so download by seeing the version downloading. Okay, so directly you can download here. So these are the features are available. Okay, so in this object. Okay, next, object oriented also, guys. Why it is object oriented means the every programs there is a object is needed, so that object have some states and behavior. Okay, state is nothing but it's variable and behavior is nothing methods. Okay, so while we are starting our Python oops concept, then I will explain you clearly, guys. Okay, that is Python is the object oriented. Okay, so these are the features of Python. It's very important, guys, for interview also. Okay, clear? I hope I'm audible, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, so big like how many application we can do with the Python? Okay, so some Python applications will be there, guys. Python applications. Okay, also I'm going to provide you notes also, guys, what we have seen for today, like what we have completed as of now. Okay, so after completion of this class, and I will send you the notes. Okay, what we have discussed. Okay, so according to that you just practice it and clear your assignments. Okay, so we can do web application, guys. Web applications. Okay, application web application also we can do, and desktop. Okay, desktop GUI application will be there. Next application is console based. Okay, console based application. Okay, next is software development. For a software development also we can use this Python. Software application or software development also you can say. It's a software development. Okay. So next with application is that next is uh, it is a business application also, guys. What it is? Business application. Okay. I hope I'm audible, everyone. Yes, business application. Okay. Some other will be there, like enterprises, image processing application. Okay, we can do image processing, image processing application. Okay, application also we can do 3D also, guys. Okay, with the help of Python we can do this 3D CAD applications. Okay, so see, with the help of Python, once you have learned this Python, then you can go with web application, desktop, geo application, console based application, software development, and some audio video. Okay, images is also there and some audio video be also there. Okay, so some audio or video. Okay, video applications. Okay, video based application also you can say. Okay, I hope it is clear, everyone. Yes, yes. Some scientific and numeric also applications are available. Clear? Yes, everyone. Yes. So basically web application means it is commonly used for development web application, guys. Okay. Only for development Python comes up with a wide range of framework. Okay. With Django, Flash, like button and lots of more that provided easy developers. Python has inbuilt okay libraries and tools make a web application and development process effortless. Okay, so for that only we'll go with web application. Clear, everyone? We'll take one example for web application, guys. Okay, yes, I hope it is clear, everyone. Anyone have doubts in this, guys? Yes, yes, I hope I'm audible, guys. If you have any questions like what we have discussed so far now, then go ahead, guys. Okay, so if you have a doubts, then go ahead. I hope I'm audible all. My voice is breaking. Yes, my voice is breaking, guys. Mm-hmm.
No, 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 no.
Yes. Anyone have doubts, guys? Venkatesh, Riya, Jay, Jayanta. Yes. So once you have learned this Python once, guys, you will get more helpful. Okay, it you can use anywhere this language. Okay, with a web application, audio, video, images, create. Okay, web development. Okay, so we can use anywhere. Okay, so if you have any doubts, guys, please go ahead. Yes, any other questions, guys? Mobile app automation also. Yes, yes, Riya. Any other questions, guys? You can free feel to ask. There is no problem, guys. Okay, I can help you. Okay, if you have any doubts, then go ahead. Okay, so even small also regarding any duration course. Okay, so regarding any questions about the syllabus. Okay, so you have any doubts, then go ahead. Is there any questions, guys? Venkatesh, Chaitanya, Natasha, Jain. Duration will be 45 days. Yes, yes. Within a 45, we will complete this, guys. Clear? So recording sessions will be provided and notes. Along with notes also, we are going to provide. Yes. If you have done any doubts, please go ahead. If it is not, then we will connect tomorrow at the same time, guys. Okay. Today it was late, so sorry for that inconvenience. From tomorrow onwards, we will start, guys, at correct 8 o'clock. Okay. Clear, everyone? Then we will connect tomorrow, guys. Thank you for joining. Have a good day.